How to turn followers and viewers into buyers, step by step. Turning followers and viewers into buyers requires building trust, providing consistent value, and creating paths to purchase. Some of you have significant followers across social media platforms, but you don't know how to turn them into real-time customers to enable them buy any product you post. Here are some key steps on how you can turn your followers or your viewers into buyers. Number 1, build trust and authority. Share helpful, informative, or entertaining content rather than only promotional posts to build rapport and demonstrate expertise. Number 2, optimize your bio and profile. Use a high-quality photo and clear, searchable username that explains what you sell and who it is for in under 3 seconds. 10. Utilize social proof and UGC. Share user-generated content, UGC, customer reviews, and testimonials to show potential customers that your product actually works. Number 4, engage with your audience. Reply to comments and direct messages to turn followers into warm leads. Acknowledging them build a connection that leads to sales. Number 5, create binge-worthy content. Offer a consistent, steady stream of valuable content 3+ times a week to encourage followers to consume more of your brand's message. 6, offer exclusive incentives. Use exclusive discounts or special offers for followers to create a sense of urgency or connection. 7, leverage live seasons. Use live video on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube to answer questions, showcase products in real time, and build authenticity. Step 8, use clear calls to action. Every post should tell followers what to do next. For example, click the link in bio, DM for details, or shop now. Key takeaways for conversion. Number 1, listing and pivot. Analyze which content drives the most engagement, comments, and shares, and create more of it to build community. Number 2, slow burn method. Recognize that many followers are silent lurkers who need to feel connected over time before making a purchase, requiring consistent and non-aggressive engagement. Invest in ads. Boost visibility by investing in paid ads to ensure your content reaches both existing followers and the new audience. Now, what are your conversion funnel? Because there must be something that will make your followers or your viewers from being ordinary followers or ordinary viewers to become buyers. Yes. Number 1, attract. Use reels, carousels, and educational content to increase visibility. Number 2, engage. Responding to comments and DMs promptly, often within 24 hours. 3, nurture. Sharing free guides or content that deepens interest. 4, convert. Presenting paid offers or limited time deals. 5, return. Using loyalty rewards, VIP groups, or superior service to encourage repeat purchases. If you watch this video to this point, ask me which social media drives the most sales or the most buyers. I will reply under your comment section, and I will give you the social media you will use to make more sales and get more buyers. This is IQChi. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, tag your friends, comment, and like. I want this video to be visible to everybody who need this kind of tips. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification buttons so anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you.